and welcome back to our channel this day. Today we are looking at something interesting: how to use ChatGPT in your marketing. How can ChatGPT change your whole marketing profession or your marketing as a small business? So if you are a small business or you are a marketer and you've been wondering, is ChatGPT for you? This video is going to show you how ChatGPT can actually change your business, change your career even as a marketer in various ways. So I am going to be presenting to you the top 6 ways in which you can use ChatGPT to revolutionize your business. If you are new to the channel, please hit subscribe, enable notification so that when we create other great content like this that can take your business to the next level, you will be number one to know. So let's get into it. The first way in which ChatGPT can actually enable your career as a marketer or as a small business, take your marketing to the next level, is in ad copywriting. So it has changed ad copywriting in new ways. You can use it to generate ad copy for variations or various platforms, including social media, websites, email campaigns, and it allows you now to quickly create multiple variations of ad copy and take your business to the next level. Number 2 way in which ChatGPT can actually change and improve your marketing is in your email and chatbots. Think about the day of writing emails to customers here and there, responding to customer queries, dealing with issues of customers. Today with ChatGPT, you can deploy this in a way that it takes your email marketing to the next level. It can be used to create conversational experiences, such as you use it in chatbot, personalized emails in a way that it's humane, in a very human way that can engage your customers, deal with customer issues while you are busy with strategic issues concerning your business. ChatGPT can be deployed through chatbots, through email marketing, and in a direct and humane way that gives you the freedom of time to do your business and focus on the things that are most important to you. Number 3 way in which ChatGPT can actually revolutionize your business. Stay tuned to the end. Before I get to number 3, I just want to tell you that at the end of this video, I am going to be telling you about something that you can use to take your business to the next level. Stay tuned to the end. So let's look at number 3. Product description and reviews. Gone are those days where product description and reviews used to be a chore. Today with ChatGPT, you can actually use it to generate product descriptions and reviews that provide your business with high quality content that you can actually use it on your website and other marketing platforms. So it gives you that freedom to generate that kind of content that you can use. And number 4, ChatGPT can be used in influential marketing. And you're asking me, how? How can I use ChatGPT to improve my influential marketing? It can be used to generate content. You can actually use it to generate content for influential marketing campaigns. For example, you can use it to generate the best possible hashtags. You can use it to generate different kind of things, post ideas. You can ask ChatGPT, generate me the best possible hashtags, post ideas that I can actually use to advance my business using influential marketing, and it is going to do this for you while you are able to come out with effective marketing campaign. I hope this is making sense to someone and changing your marketing. Number 5, market research. Market research. Gone are those days when you used to spend a lot of resources, spend a lot of time doing market research. If you deploy ChatGPT effectively in your marketing campaign mix, what it's going to do is it can help you analyze large data sets, provide you with insights into consumer behavior, preferences, market trends, that gives you the time to make better informed decisions, unlike it has never been before. And finally, how can ChatGPT improve your marketing? One of the top 6 ways: A/B testing. Just pause and think about it. A/B testing. ChatGPT, you can actually use it to generate multiple variations of copies, headlines, subject lines, and other marketing material that can actually a business can use to run A/B testing and see which version, which format is the best for your business. I hope this has been very useful to you. These are just some of the top 6. I explore more of the ways in which you can use ChatGPT to improve your marketing in other videos. Stay tuned to this channel, subscribe to this channel, and you will be able to watch lots of the other videos that we look at to be able to improve your marketing. Check the links in the description for more videos on how ChatGPT can help improve your marketing. Thank you for being on the channel this day. I will see you in the next video.